Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want advanced tracking like pixels, events and even funnels. Instead of adding multiple tracking codes separately, you can easily manage everything through the Google Tag Manager or GTM and connect it all the way to Gumroad. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to open our Google Tag Manager account and copy our container ID that starts with GTM. So all we're gonna do is go look for GTM here on Google or on Bing, it depends. Then go all the way to your Google Analytics. So as you see here, GTM is a powerful tool that simplifies tag management for websites, allowing marketers and businesses to deploy and manage tags without extensive coding. All of these basically options that you have after basically going through the GTM and copying your container ID, we have to go through our Gumroad here. So basically this is the main dashboard. The only thing you have to do is log in using your email address and password to access the main dashboard. So I just tap on dashboard and here we go. We have to go to settings. So as you see here, we have advanced, mass block, custom domain, applications, danger zone, and also we have this third-party analytics. So we have this third-party Google Analytics property ID and the Facebook pixel. You can also verify the domain in third-party services if you want to. We have multiple options. We also have this analytics section that you can go and check everything basically that is analytics related. You can even learn more about the analytics dashboard so we can get more knowledge. So after finding the GTM field and pasting your own code, make sure to save the changes. Now you can manage all tracking tags through the GTM. As for like a bonus tips, use GTM to install Metapixel, Google Analytics and every other tracker. Then you can create custom events like purchase tracking or use in preview mode to test before even publishing. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.